Okay, hi everyone. How you guys doing today? I have a very big pour plan today, which is really out of my practice lately. These are both 15 by 30, and they're going to go side by side to make, one piece together. I'm working with a lot of blues today. I wanted to show you guys really quick what I have done with the back. My husband helped me. Normally with canvases, when you want to resin later, it can be kind of gapping in the middle because resin's heavy. Particularly after you've got it wet and then it's dried through paint, it can sag, and so it doesn't support resin that well and look that good around the edges. So I am experimenting with this, what's this stuff called? Foam board. Yeah, foam. I bought some foam board, and my husband cut it and got it under there, and this is nice and sturdy now. Very, very strengthened. And once it's all done and resined, I'll probably take it out of there because I won't need it anymore. So that'll be fun to see how that turns out. So I am just going to tell you the colors. I don't know if you can see. I've got phthalo blue, and it's got some bubbles in it, so I'm going to have to use my torch. Let me get my other glove on. And I used this, it's just called Blue by Flow Acrylic, and it's a little bit lighter of a blue, so I've got a cup of that. The only thing in my pouring medium is GAC 800, about a tablespoon per 2 cups, which is not that much, and water. Okay, so I got phthalo blue, Artist Loft's Flow Acrylic blue. I got some black. I've got phthalo green. I probably won't use a lot of that. Master's Touch Ocean Green, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and Artist Loft Gold. And some titanium white. And this is Amsterdam's Pearl Green. So I won't put this in the white, I'll put this over the darker colors. And I don't really know how that's going to look. We're going to find out once it dries. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start. This is the Dutch pour. I don't know if I said that already. So let's get started. I am going to go get my little step ladder because I might need that. Instead of using white on the top, this is a very light blue that I've decided to do the tops of these canvases with. And all I did was take white with like one little dab of phthalo blue and mix it up, and it created this color. Lots of bubbles. Now I made this, I kept adding water. I made it so thin. We'll see if I made it thin enough. I've got to cover these edges. I didn't pre-paint them. And I'm just going to get into it. Wow, there's so many bubbles. I hope that's not going to be a problem. It feels pretty thin, which is what we need. As that blow dryer hits it, we want to have nice easy flow. It's crazy. Every time I do this, because I've been doing some practicing, I think it's super thin, and then when I get it on the canvas, it doesn't look as thin as I thought it would be. Just getting the edges on the top here. Let's see if these bubbles will pop. Oh yeah, they're popping. All right, I am going to put in some green. I'm going to do that now. Just to break up the color. Like that. And then I've got this Artist Loft Flow acrylic blue. And we're going to use a little black. Ocean's green. Artist Loft Metallic Teal. And some gold. Some pearl green, which is going to appear white. Pop some more bubbles. So many bubbles. All right, so I'm going to flood the top. This little canvas showing here, so we gotta cover that up. We don't want any dry spots when we get started. So I'm just gonna fill those in. Dry spots. Give that a good amount right there. Do the same thing on this side. Pop some more bubbles. They're plaguing me. All right. All right, I got pretty new blow dryer here, but I don't have practice with it. So fingers crossed, I'm just jumping in here. Cool, and I'm gonna try low first. Oh, what's happening with my plug? Okay, I had to use high. It wasn't moving with the other setting. This area, the black, having a little bit of an issue with the black. So I'm gonna try to do something with that. Okay, here it is all finished, and it looks amazing. I already put a coat of resin over it, which it really needed. I'm going to continue to work on making my paint thinner. I did get a good result. I was lucky, but moving forward, I just have to keep that in mind. Thinner paint moves easier, and I'm going to continue to try that on my future videos. So anyway, I got lucky. I did have to touch up some of the areas of gray. I went over it with a little teal, and I'm sorry I didn't give you guys a close-up of the wet results. My camera died, and I had to leave and go pick up my daughter. So anyway, I just did a little bit of touch-up. In the future, I wouldn't put black so near the top, only at the bottom. So keep that in mind. But I love this, and it's gonna go for sale. It's gonna go to the restaurant and hang on the wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like this video if you do, subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.